Compound sentence. Remember, simple sentence is a sentence that consists of one subject, one verb, and a complete thought. Compound sentence consists of two or more simple sentences put together. They are joined by a comma and a coordinating conjunction like and, but, or, nor, for, so, and yet. Today, in this lesson, we're going to learn about writing a short descriptive paragraph about a character or setting in stories listened to. Before we proceed to our topic, let me hear you a short story about the monkey and the crocodile. Once upon a time, a clever monkey lived in a tree that bore juicy rose apple. He was very happy. One fine day, a crocodile swam up to that tree and told the monkey that he had traveled a long distance and was in search of food as he was very hungry. The kind monkey offered him a few rose apples. The crocodile enjoyed them very much and asked the monkey whether he could come again for some more fruit. The generous monkey happily agreed. The crocodile returned the next day, and the next one after that. Soon, the two became very good friends. They discussed their lives, their friends, and family, like all friends do. The crocodile told the monkey that he had a wife and that they lived on the other side of the river. So the kind monkey offered him some extra rose apples to take home to his wife. The crocodile's wife loved the rose apples and made her husband promise to get her some every day. Meanwhile, the friendship between the monkey and the crocodile deepened as they spent more and more time together. The crocodile's wife started getting jealous. She wanted to put an end to this friendship. So she pretended that she could not believe that her husband could be friends with a monkey. Her husband tried to convince her that he and the monkey shared a true friendship. The crocodile's wife thought to herself that if the monkey lived on a diet of rose apples, his flesh would be very sweet. So she asked the crocodile to invite the monkey to their house. The crocodile was not happy about this. He tried to make the excuse that it would be difficult to get the monkey across the river. But his wife was determined to eat the monkey's flesh. So she thought of a plan. One day, she pretended to be very ill and told the crocodile that the doctor said that she would only recover if she ate a monkey's heart. If her husband wanted to save her life, he must bring her his friend's heart. The crocodile was afraid. He was in dilemma. On the one hand, he loved his friend. On the other, he could not possibly let his wife die. The crocodile's wife threatened him, saying that if he did not get her the monkey's heart, she would surely die. So the crocodile went to the rose apple tree and invited the monkey to come home to meet his wife. He told the monkey that he could ride across the river on the crocodile's back. The monkey happily agreed. As they reached the middle of the river, the crocodile began to sink. The frightened monkey asked him why he was doing that. The crocodile explained that he would have to kill the monkey to save his wife's life. The clever monkey told him that he would gladly give up his heart to save the life of the crocodile's wife, but he had left his heart behind in the rose apple tree. He asked the crocodile to make haste and turn back so that the monkey could go get his heart from the apple tree. The silly crocodile quickly swam back to the rose apple tree. The monkey scampered up the tree to safety. He told the crocodile to tell his wicked wife that she had married the biggest fool in the world. And that's the end of our story. Kids, did you like this story? Now, let's find out the important details about characters and setting from the story you have heard. A story has important elements. These elements are characters and setting. They keep the story together. They allow the action to develop in a way that the readers can follow. A character is a person or sometimes an animal who takes part in the action of a short story. Setting tells when and where the story happens. Now, try to answer the following questions. Are you ready? Who are the characters in the story? Very good! The monkey and the crocodile are the main characters in the story. Crocodile's wife is a supporting character. The clever monkey fools the crocodile to save his life against the crocodile's wife. Next question. Describe each characters. How do you describe the monkey? Very good! He is clever. He is very happy. He is a kind monkey. He is generous. How do you describe the crocodile? Very good. He is full. How do you describe the crocodile's wife? Very good. She is a wicked wife. Next, where and when the story happened. It means the setting in the story. Very good. The setting in the story, the monkey and the crocodile, is happened in a tree that bore juicy rose apple, where monkey offered the crocodile few rose apples. What else is the setting in the story? Very good! Another setting in the story is the crocodile's home across the river, where his wife wanted him to bring the monkey in their home for she wants to eat the monkey's heart. Did you find another setting in the story? Very good! Another setting in the story is in the river, where the crocodile told the monkey to ride on his back to go across the river where his wife is waiting for the monkey's heart. Activities. Read each passage and write down the characters and setting on the box below each paragraph. Number 1. Anna woke up early with a big smile on her face. It's her day. When she went downstairs, she saw her family surprises her for her birthday celebration. Write the characters and the setting. Number 2. Miko and his mother buy ingredients for Daddy's favorite food, caldereta, in the supermarket. Write the characters and the setting. Number 3. Joselita dropped the pair of her slippers in the river near their house. Write the characters and the setting. Number 4. Jenny woke up early, went to the kitchen, and prepared her favorite breakfast. Write the characters and the setting. Number 5. The dog and the cat were good friends. They were always play in the garden. Write the characters and the setting. Now, I'll reveal the answer. Number 1. The characters on this passage are Anna and her family. And the setting on this passage is the surprise birthday celebration was happened downstairs. Number 2. The characters for this passage are Nico and his mother. And the setting of this passage is they buy ingredients in the supermarket. Number 3. The character on this passage is Joselita. And the setting on this passage is she dropped the pair of slippers in the river. Number 4. The character in this passage is Jenny. And the setting is she prepared her breakfast in the kitchen. Number 5. The characters in this passage are the dog and the cat. And the setting is they were always play in the garden. Very good, kids! Remember, a story has important elements. These elements are characters and setting. They keep the story together. They allow the action to develop in a way that the readers can follow. A character is a person or sometimes an animal who takes part in the action of a short story. Setting tells when and where the story happens.